Now, let me hear you read your line.
And I can't stand him.
And I can't stand him.
And I can't stand him.
Can't.
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 Good. Now, around the rocks, the rugged rascal ran.
Around the rocks, the rugged rascal ran.
No, rocks.
Around the rocks, the rugged rascal ran.
Good. Now, sinful Caesar.
Oh, hi, Cosmo.
Hello, Don. Shall I continue?
Oh, yes, go on, don't mind him.
Sinful Caesar sipped his snifter, seized his knees, and sneezed.
Sinful Caesar snipped his sister.
No, sipped his snifter.
Snipped his snifter.
Sinful Caesar sipped his snifter, seized his knees, and sneezed.
Marvelous, marvelous.
Marvelous, marvelous.
Marvelous. Oh, here's a good one. Chester chooses chestnuts, cheddar cheese, and chewy chives. He chews them, and he chooses them. He chooses them, and he chews them. Those chestnuts, cheddar cheese, and chives in cheery, charming chunks.
Wonderful, wonderful. Do another.
Moses supposes his toeses are roses. But Moses supposes erroneously. Now Moses, he noses his toeses aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toeses to be.
Moses supposes his toeses are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously.
But Moses, he noses his toes are roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be.
Moses supposes his toeses are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously.
A Mose is a Mose.
A rose is a rose.
A toes is a toes.
Hoop-de-doo-de-doo to Moses supposes his toeses are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. For Moses, he noses his toes are roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be.
Supposes his toes are roses. Moses supposes erroneously.
My
Moses knows his toes is on roses.
as Moses supposes his toes is to be. A roses, a roses, a roses, a roses, a roses, but Moses supposes his toes is.
Couldn't be a lily or a daffodilly.